Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to check link in profile analytics. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our LinkedIn app right here. And once we open our LinkedIn app, the next thing that we need to do is to click our profile icon on the top left corner. So click that one and then click this name on your account. Once we do that, just scroll down until you see View Analytics, which is right here, which just shows Show All Analytics. So just click that one, and then you will be redirected right here, wherein you will see all the analytics of your account, your weekly sharing tracker, creator tools, and more. Now, there's another way to open your analytics much faster. So the first thing that we need to do is to go back on the homepage of LinkedIn. And then the next thing that we need to do is to click our profile icon again on the top left corner. And then you will see this View All Analytics. So this one is more faster and more accessible. So just click View All Analytics right here. And then as you can see, we are also redirected to the same page just like earlier. So you will see the analytics and tools. And so that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.